Printers are a pretty boring section of tech, but let's face it, we all need one at some point, and even more so with the enforced working from home that's now normal due to the pandemic. The downside is that printers are quite hard to find, but we have rounded up the best we've tested. You might want to print a calendar, a boarding pass, or some photos you've taken on your phone. Many are multifunction, and therefore also handy for scanning and copying, too. It's a tough job, but we review and rank the best printers around. Whatever your needs, buying a new printer can be a confusing process. Not only do you have to worry about the upfront cost and whether it can print a good photo, but you've also got to consider print speeds, ongoing costs, and a host of potential additional features. In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best value printer available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. It was obtained after hours of researches, and it has been listed based on economic, features, and prices. In this list are diverse alternatives available for buyers. So whether you need the best value printer, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide Present Top 6 Best Value Printer. Let's get started with the list of the best value printer. Number 1. Epson Expression Home XP 2100 Wi-Fi Printer. Features: sleek and stylish 3-in-1. Unleash smart devices. Wireless printing with or without a network. Compact, small, and lightweight design. Easy to use. Minimize printing costs. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 2. HP DeskJet 2724 All-in-One Printer. Features: print speed 7.5 5.5 ppm, a black color. Contains more than 20% recycled plastic. 60-sheet input tray. Flatbed scanner. Reliable connectivity with dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset and Bluetooth 4.2. Wireless and HP Smart App capable. Hassle-free wireless. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 3. Canon PIXMA TS5350 Multifunctional Wi-Fi Printer. Features: recommended ink cartridge. Experience the freedom of Wi-Fi connectivity. Creative Park. Style credentials. Hassle-free. There's an app for that print. Share-worthy snaps. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 4. HP ENVY 6020 All-in-One Printer. Features: print, copy, scan. Print speed 10/7 ppm, black color. Double-sided printing. Contains more than 20% recycled plastic. Borderless printing up 216 x 297 mm. Reliable connection with dual-band Wi-Fi with Bluetooth 5.0 and self-healing. Wireless and HP Smart App capable. Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Number 5. HP DeskJet 2720 All-in-One Printer. Features: print speed 7.5 ppm, a black color. Contains more than 20% recycled plastic. 60-sheet input tray. Flatbed scanner. HP Instant Ink ready with 2 months trial included. Reliable connectivity with dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset and Bluetooth 4.2. Wireless and HP Smart App capable. Hassle-free wireless. Check product link and price on video description below. Number 6. HP Envy Photo 6220 All-in-One Printer. Features: functions: print, scan, copy, web, photo. Print speed: up to 13 ppm ISO black over 4 up to 8 ppm ISO color over 4. Paper handling: 125 sheet main input tray, 15 sheet photo tray, up to 25 sheets output tray. Connectivity: standard 1 high-speed USB 2.0, 1 Wi-Fi 802. Print resolution: up to 1200 x 1200 rendered DPI, black, up to 4800 x 1200 optimized DPI color. Mobile printing capability: HP ePrint, Apple AirPrint, wireless direct printing. Check product link and price on video description below. Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.